Plants, animals, and human beings need water to live. We need water for drinking, bathing, cooking and cleaning. Where do we get water from? We get fresh water from rain. When it rains, rainwater fills up ponds, lakes, streams, rivers, and seas. Some rainwater goes below the ground. We get this water by digging wells. We cannot use seawater. It contains a lot of salt. Water from rivers, lakes, ponds, and wells is not clean. People make this water dirty by throwing waste, washing clothes, and bathing. Dirty water contains germs. Drinking dirty water can make us sick. We must drink clean water. We can boil water to make it fit for drinking. Boiling water kills the germs in the water. We can use a water filter to free the water from germs. Water is precious. We should not waste water. Turn off the tap when you are not using water. Use a mug and bucket when you bathe. A lot of water is wasted when we use a shower. Collect rainwater in a bucket. Use it for cleaning, washing or for watering plants.